fast. Let's go over the ingredients required to make Kalakand. So we'll start with ricotta cheese. I've taken half of it, which is 15 ounce. 1 tin of sweet condensed milk. This is 14 ounce. 1 tablespoon of coconut powder. 1 tablespoon of milk powder. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and some nuts. I have taken pistachios here, some chopped pistachios and some chopped almonds. You can use nuts of your choice as well, like walnuts or cashew nuts, or whatever choice you want. Now let's start cooking. On a low flame, I am mixing the condensed milk. And ricotta cheese. Keep the flame very low. You can mix them very nicely. As you can see, the ricotta cheese will melt in the condensed milk and it will become like a liquid. So let it melt together. Make sure to keep the flame low. You don't want to burn the milk, so keep it very low. Actually, it's a very simple recipe where you just mix the ingredients and let it come together. So now you can see it's all melted and it's more like a liquid now. Now it will cook together, and now I'm gonna add little milk powder to it. And some coconut powder. Mix all of them together. Don't leave it on the flame unattended, just keep mixing them together. So if you like to add more sweet to it, if you want the sweet to be on a higher end, you can add some sugar also, but I'm not gonna add more sugar to this one today. As you can see, this is all coming together and getting thicker now. You will have to mix it for like 15 minutes or so till everything becomes hard. So I can see it is all getting hard, and you have to keep mixing it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So keep mixing it. So if it sticks to the side of the pan, keep scraping it out so that it doesn't get burned. And now I can see it's all sticking, and I am pulling it out, and it smells really nice this time. because you see the milk and the cheese and coconut powder and milk powder, they are all getting cooked together. So bring it to a good consistency and keep mixing it. So now it's about 5 minutes as I'm mixing it, and you can see it's all bubbling and it's coming together and reducing. So that's what we wanted. Keep continuously doing the same thing and let it curdle together. Now after 10 minutes the consistency has reduced a lot and you can see some crumbles coming up, so I think it's almost there. But some more time before it all comes together more nicely. Now after 15 minutes or so, this is all together and it's almost sticking to the pan. It's very important to keep stirring it so that it doesn't get burned. Now I'm gonna add some cardamom powder to it. Stir it nicely. Now it's all together and it's almost done. Before I transfer it to a nice dish to cool down and garnish it with some nuts. So a final stir to mix all the cardamom powder and it's all ready to transfer. Now I've transferred the Kalakand mixture to the dish and I'm going to garnish it with some nuts. It smells really nice right now. I'm just going to garnish it with some nuts and then I'm going to leave it in the refrigerator for an hour or so for it to nicely set before I cut it into pieces to serve and eat. So now it's all garnished nicely and ready to set. Please enjoy this. Thanks for joining my class. So now the Kalakand is all set after an hour. Now you can cut it into pieces and serve it to enjoy with your friends and family. So please follow the instructions of this class and don't forget to upload the pictures and videos in the project gallery. I hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you.